It's time to announce the drone video of the month winner for July. Here's how the contest works. Every single drone video uploaded to AirVuz.com from July 1st through July 31st was automatically entered into our Drone Video of the Week contests. During each weekly contest, 5 videos are selected, and one is crowned the Drone Video of the Week and given a $250 prize. Then, each Drone Video of the Week winner moves on to the Drone Video of the Month contest. The team at AirVuz votes, and then one video is selected to win an additional $500. Let's take a quick look back at all of the Drone Video of the Week winners from July. Slovenia, The Magic of Autumn, Dronographer. Iceland Showcase by Julie, Kukis.
When the gods came around to blow me down, held on as tightly as you held on me.
Flying Above Faroe Islands, Drone My Life.
Welcome to the Windy City.
Flying Under the Boat, Sailed GP Chicago, Johnny FPV. We've put the links to the full videos in the description below. And now, the one being named the Drone Video of the Month for July and winning the $500 prize is Flying Above Faroe Islands, Drone My Life. Professional French videographer Drone My Life spent 12 days in the Faroe Islands capturing this incredible landscape footage. Flying a DJI Mavic 3 Sin over the waterfalls and rigid coastline, and then using a FPV drone to fly through the narrow spaces between cliffs, this video amazed all of us at AirVuz. Congratulations, Drone My Life.